Alright, in this one, we're going to go over how to manage the Timecard system and how to run payroll. We've already covered how to input time into the Timecard system and the time tracking system. So in this one, we're primarily looking at how to use that data, correct mistakes, and run payroll. Okay, so if you want to see all the data that has been collected for the time cards, you're going to go up to Financial and then scroll down to Timecard Management. So go ahead and filter. Since this is a demo site, I need old data. Okay, your data comes up. So you can see for a payroll period, the clock in and out for this employee. So you have a few options on this page. You can add an entry. So if your employee comes in and says, hey, I forgot to clock back in or whatever, you can do that here. Or you can go back and edit every single entry and give it some notes. The other place to do this is right on the home page for all of your employees. So again, it's real simple. You just hover over the entry you want to correct and hit edit. Now, something to note, this only works with the current payroll period. So if it's within this payroll period, this is a good place to do it. If it's a past week, you're going to want to use the report. Okay, so if you're going to run payroll, you're going to want to go to Financial Reports and Employee Time Cards. So this report's going to show you from a filtered data set, or in other words, from a payroll period, all the clocked hours of all the employees. So what you're going to do is send to, export as CSV, and when you open up that file, you'll see that you have all of that information in addition to the IP address that they clocked in and out of. So if you have a strict rule about clocking in and out only on a certain computer at your shop, this will come in handy. So this report is ready to import into your financial software where you can process the payroll.